Hey everyone, today we're checking out our new 6-inch cordless car buffer polisher. Let's go ahead and open this up and check it out. It's going to be extremely easy to use since you don't have to worry about any cords. It's going to have everything that you need including it in this package. In our box is going to be a wide variety of different pads which are going to help with your car buffing and polishing. Even comes with a nice microfiber towel as well. Another great feature is it comes with 2 batteries. So when one of them runs out, you can put the other one on a charger and that way you'll never run out of battery power. And of course it comes with this awesome battery charger, as well as a user and instruction manual. So if you run into any issues or have any questions, this user manual will be a great resource. Then of course you have your car buffer polisher. This has a great ergonomic design, so it's going to feel comfortable to use and hold in your hand for long periods of time.
This powerful cordless buffer features 6 adjustable speed settings that range from 2,500 up to 6,000 RPMs, so you can select the ideal gear for different applications. It's an 8mm random orbit that delivers a swirl-free finish and ensures far more efficient cleaning than the other conventional electric polishers. And this polisher has a built-in high-efficiency 300-watt motor, which can provide a maximum speed of 6,000 RPMs. As you can see here on our truck, we have some scratches on the side. I'm going to attempt to get some of those scratches out, but I know that I don't have a cutting polish with me, so it's going to be very difficult to get all of those scratches out here, but you'll be able to see that we can polish out some of them and it'll look a lot better than it currently does. And then higher up, you can see some spider webbing up on the paint. This is from taking it through the automatic car washes quite a bit. I'm going to attempt to get some of those out as well. But again, not having a cutting polish is going to reduce some of the final results that you'll see. But you'll definitely see a vast improvement, a lot shinier and deep tone to the paint. This is going to be all done through just time and skill, going over multiple times but not applying any pressure. And then you'll use your microfiber cloth to wipe up the excess rubbing compound, and then this will also provide a final polish. Compared with the traditional corded polishers, this upgraded car cordless buffer is going to be more portable, so it lets you get rid of the trouble of dragging and pulling around a cord. So if you're looking for fast results to remove swirls on your car and cost-effective tools, with dual action machine, this polish and buffer is going to be the great choice. This way, you'll be able to remove any scratches and swirl marks and make your paint look glossy again. This will be a great addition to your tool collection for your garage, or it can also be a great gift for anyone in your family as well.